JeanetteJBeauty and welcome to my channel. I just finished washing my hair. Check the video out in the iCards above. Now it is time to style my hair in this fall wash and go. So this is going to be different than my summer wash and go because I'm going to be using a diffuser rather than using the shower cap method. This is how my hair looks once it's fully dry. As always, I'm going to section my hair into fours for better manageability over my hair. And when I style my hair, I like to section it how I'm going to actually wear it. So in the front, I'm going to do a side part and not a middle part because this is how I always wear my hair. Now that my hair is sectioned into fours, it's time to style it. And you can see my curl pattern a little bit, but I use the WLOS method to make sure that I have a lot of moisture in my hair. For the W, I'm going to spray a generous amount of water. I find that this technique allows my products to penetrate into my hair a lot better and more effectively, which allows for my styles to last a lot longer. Then for the L, I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture. This is their 100% virgin coconut oil leave-in conditioner, and I absolutely love this one because it has my hair feeling so moisturized and smooth. And after I spray the leave-in conditioner, I'm just going to run my fingers down the length of my hair, ensuring that the leave-in conditioner gets distributed well. I did add just a little bit more of the leave-in conditioner to make sure that my ends were nice and moisturized, and you could see how well my curls are popping just from applying water and leave-in conditioner. Now to help seal that moisture in, I'm going to apply this African Pride oil blend, and I really like it because it's a mix of different oils, and if you know me, you know I love applying oils to my scalp, my hair, my face, and my body, just locking that moisture in so that my skin, my hair, and scalp don't get dry. And my hair feels so good. It's soft, moisturized, and smooth. Now I'm going to twist that up so my hair can stay nice and moisturized while I work on the other three parts of my hair. And even in my low porosity section, the WLOS method works amazing. Now that my hair is nice and prepped, which is why I love adding water, leave-in conditioner, and oil to my hair, and I just do so with each section, so by the time I come back to styling my hair, that section is nice and moisturized. I'm going to part a small subsection within the quadrant, apply a little bit more water. I really want the stylers I use to get my curls clumped and popping, so adding a little bit more water is going to help make that happen. For my first styler, I'm going to use the Style Factor Curl Defining Cream, and I do enjoy this. I find that even though it's a cream, it really gets my curls clumped together in a good way, but I definitely need to add some more hold. So I'm going to use this keracare moisturizing gel, and I find that this doesn't give me a gel cast but does help to hold my style. So anytime that I have a wash and go, I really want to make sure that my hair is going to last for at least a week and still look good. Next, I'm going to use the Denman brush to make sure that 1, my hair is tangle free, 2, that it's nice and smooth, and also 3, I find that using the Denman brush helps to clump my curls together. I have used a couple dupes, but they just didn't clump my curls like the Denman brush does, so I'm going to continue using the Denman brush for all my wash and goes. And I'm going to shingle my hair, and when I shingle, I like to do almost like a finger coil motion, so I'm not making sure that my hair is super tight and actually creating finger coils, but I like to twist and twirl my hair around my finger several times, and I find that doing this creates a nice curl that I really like. I'm going to continue this technique on the rest of my hair. First, applying the Style Factor Curl Defining Cream and working it down the length of my hair. Then on top of that, for some extra hold, I'm going to apply the keracare Moisturizing Gel and making sure that it's distributed well throughout my hair. Then I'm going to use the Denman brush and actually making sure that my hair is tangle free, also that it is nice and smooth and that my curls do clump together. I really want to make sure that the products are worked in all of my hair so that there's no chunks of product residue throughout my hair. I find that just really making sure that it's nice and smooth using the Denman brush ensures that I get positive results every single time. And here's how my hair looks after I have finished twirling the first quadrant. And if I notice that one curl is not 100% smooth, I will take my Rattail Comb, just comb that section a couple times and still do the finger pulling motion, or I'll take the Denman brush and do the same thing. Alright, now I finished applying the products to the back half and finished twirling my hair. Now it is time to move on to the front. So as I've already mentioned several times, I have medium porosity in the back of my hair and then low porosity in the front. And I do notice a different curl pattern between the different porosities. I find that the front sometimes is a little looser, but it feels a little bit more thicker versus the back half. But anyway, I'm going to put a shower cap right on top of my hair because I was going out this night and I wanted to do my makeup. Plus, putting a shower cap on hugs the curls, helping with curl definition. Now that I'm finished getting ready for my night out, I'm going to take the shower cap off and start to diffuse my hair. And you could already see a difference with how tighter my curls are. And I only had the shower cap on for about 25 minutes. Now it's time to diffuse, and my diffuser is from Dyson. I don't use this a lot because I don't style my hair and wash and goes often, but I'm thinking I will change it because I did like the way my hair came out. This next part is sped up for the sake of time, but all I'm doing is just pulling the Dyson closer to my scalp, and I just keep doing this all over my hair. And I also do put it right on top of my roots so that my roots can dry as well. Fast forward to about 35 minutes of diffusing. My hair is 93% dry. Had I not been going out, I definitely would have diffused until my hair was 100% dry, but I didn't want to be rude and keep people waiting for me. I did apply the Creole Essence oil, the mango one. It smells so good, and I applied it on my scalp and also while I separated the curls for some extra volume. You know your girl loves the volume with her styles. Now I'm ready for my night out and my hair feels amazing. It's soft, I have volume, there's no gel cast or crunch in my hair. This combo definitely helped my hair achieve this volume with curl definition. And for my nighttime routine, I'm just going to take this satin scarf and tie it up on my hair like a pineapple method. I do have a video of that. And then put my bonnet right on top. I do clip the bonnet just so that my hair is not in the way and falling on my shoulders because I don't like that. Here is the finished look and I really did like it. I just love this volume and bounce that I got. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.